Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and it is the second week of opening these 5-day advents, okay? I'm opening an advent from Fable Knitwear every single Sunday, and it is December 8th, which is the second Sunday of Advent. So, the first yarn that we had was this bright, juicy red with golden stellina. So let's see what we have today. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna open it. Oh god. Okay, you guys will see it first. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Will these all have gold stellina in it? And look, there's a brooch, a candy cane brooch. It's a brooch, right? Yes, a candy cane brooch on this. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see the golden stellina in this as well. This is so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. The more I see this, because I'm thinking about the red as well, this is making me want to knit like a sweater with this. Like I need to knit like a striped sweater or a cardigan. Oh my gosh, I think I would want to knit a cardigan with this, to be honest, and just repeat these over and over. What would be a good cardigan? I know Rebecca from the Craybea, whose sweater I'm test knitting, she has a cardigan which I could do that with, but I would want like a stockinette cardigan, I think. And I'm just like, what would be good? I feel like, I don't know. I would need a fingering weight cardigan because I would literally want to use these on their own because this is just so beautiful. So this is fingering weight, 75% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 5% gold stellina. Beautiful. Amazing. But yeah, I would want to use this in a cardigan. So if you guys have any ideas on any fingering weight cardigans that I could knit up, maybe this could be something that I use and something that I do if I have enough yarn. I have about, how many Sundays are there? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 Sundays, and then so yeah, the 5 skeins equals all of those. Okay, so 5 skeins of yarn, which is 2,000 meters, because each of this is 400 meters. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Yeah, so 2,000 meters. That's totally enough for a cardigan. Yeah. Anyway, this is it, and I can't wait to show it all together. I think I said that last week. But I'm gonna wait to show everything together once the Advent is over, which is on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, you guys will see it all together. Anyway, back to the regularly scheduled program. Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 9 of me working on the Kintra sweater test knit. I just love the repeats. It just looks so good. Oh my gosh. So, today, we're splitting for sleeves, okay? We're splitting for sleeves and starting the body. And then I'm gonna be able to map out how much time it'll take me to do the body. And I think that will be good. Yes, I think that'll be good. I think it'll take me like 5 days to do the body. Yeah, potentially. Potentially, okay? I'm saying 5 days because I feel like since it's on 3.5 millimeter needles, it could take a little longer than expected. And yeah, but it'll be great if it takes 4 days and then the next 4 days I spend on the sleeve. Because then it'll take me that will be like 16, 17 days of me knitting on this, which is like the timeline that I want based on the other projects that I want to do. Okay, so today, split for the sleeves, start the body. That's it for now. Let's get to knitting. Hey guys, it's currently 4:20. Why is it so dark? I mean, it was dark downstairs while we were watching the movie, but like, it didn't register until I actually looked at my time. Anyway, whatever. And then downstairs is always so nice and moody sometimes when you close the blinds, you know. Whatever. So, guys, while I was watching the movies, we watched like 2 movies. It was Thanksgiving. So, it was Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving. Yes, it's Thanksgiving. So, I was able to, so my family we watched movies together, ate together, whatever. And I was able to split for the sleeves. This looks like a poncho. Look at this. This looks so freaking cool. I'll show you the back because that's where the short rows are. And you can see more of the green popping out. Right now, I'm weaving in my ends. I've woven in a lot so far. I'm kind of almost done. I was just so like over it that I didn't really, because like I started earlier. Like I started doing some earlier while I had some downtime because I was editing and I was like, okay, let me just weave in some ends instead of trying to do the short rows. And then I did a lot off camera because this is the worst part, trying to weave all of these in. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But listen, we're getting it done. I only have this much left, which is great. And then I can get into the body. So the body. All right, Kahila is already on the body. She's a little ahead of me. I think she's a day ahead of me. And she already split for her sleeves and everything. Let me make sure I didn't get petroleum jelly on my hair. Yeah, so she's a little bit a day ahead of me. She split for the sleeves already. She counted how many. We need to do like 11 inches of the body before ribbing or whatever we want, but the recommended is 28 centimeters, 11 inches. Is that 28 centimeters? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, so 28. 12. Yeah, 28 centimeters is what the length is supposed to be from under the armpit, I believe. And so I am going to do, Kahila said 3 inches for her is around like 23 rounds, which, okay, cool. So I'm going to do 25 rounds and I'm going to do that, try to do that like every single day, which will get me to almost finishing the body. And forget that 2-week crazy plan that I had. I think I'm going to get this done in 2.5 weeks. So I think it'll be like 17 days instead of 14 days, which is still really good for a fingering weight sweater, to be honest. And I am on track to doing that 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 8 more days, you know, technically, of the sweater. And I've already split for the sleeves and the body, which means I can work on the body for, I can work on a body for 5 days if I wanted to and spend the next 3 days knitting on the sleeves. Or I could do 4 days on a body, 4 days on a sleeve. But I think it'll lean more towards 5 days on the body, 3 days on the sleeves. I think that's really a really good timeline, because while I am ambitious, I also have to be realistic, because I also have spinning on my mind right now and I'm just like, I just want to spin. But anyway, I'm gonna continue weaving in these atrocious ends and then get back to knitting on here. I'm also editing the first 7 days of this series today. So I'm going to be doing that at the same time. I'm on day 1 out of 7. But I don't think these vlogs are super long, which is really good for me editing. You guys are getting content every day, so I don't think I need to put out like super long videos, which, awesome. So that's what I'm going to do, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. Probably when I'm done with that. Yeah. Hello guys, it is currently 11:47. I don't feel like knitting anymore for tonight. I just want to finish up. I have 2 more videos. So I've edited the video for today, days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've edited 6 out of 8 videos so far for my channel of this challenge. So I've edited, 5 days of this challenge plus a video that was supposed to go up today of the fiber fair. Actually, it was supposed to go up days ago, but whatever. This is what I have so far. You'll see more progress on the back side of it because the German short rows are there. So this is what it's looking like so far. Okay. Whatever. The stockinette is rolling up. It's just not giving us something good today. Okay, that's totally fine. I am so tired. I have no energy to continue knitting. And I want to just focus my energy on finishing the last 2 videos and scheduling them. Because then I'll be good. I'll be done. And then tomorrow I'll have a fresh day. And I'll be able to get a good bit of progress on this sweater. And I'm already I gave myself a head start on this, okay? So I'm really excited to get what I get done tomorrow. Once I get, so I want to do 25 rounds every single day. Once I get 25 rounds done, I'm going to stop knitting for today. Like, I'm not going further than that. Farther than that? It doesn't matter. I'm not going to surpass that. I'm just going to let my hands rest and oh my gosh, I'm getting hungry. I think I'll get something to snack on a little bit while I finish editing these 2 videos. But yeah, I'm just tired and knitting is zapping my energy a little bit because, you know, I'm moving a lot and yeah, anyway. That's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.